gosh, when she was 3 years old. She's been incredibly involved. I mean, this girl is everywhere. Here in Brevard, Orlando, all over the place. She was motivated to get into activism for a love of her family. And I am so, so excited to call her my friend and to have her come speak to you all now.
Awesome.
Hello everybody, my name is Addisyn. I went to my first protest when I was 3. I will be 9 in 11 days, and I can't even tell you how many protests I've been to the last 6.5 years. I've protested for rights to my own body, not to get shot at school, to have the right to love who I want to love, for my friends to be able to be who they are, and all these things I feel the Constitution already gives me. Yet, we have to constantly fight for these things. I'm often told I'm too young to be politically active. But why? Why is 8 too young? It's my future that I'm fighting for.
Yes.
It is my rights that are being taken away. So, anyway, why shouldn't I fight for them? Don't say gay bill is the law as of July 1st. Orange County has already told all teachers and staff that they can't wear rainbows to school. Teachers reported being told not to put pictures of same-sex spouses on their desks or talking about them to students. Safe space stickers have been removed from doors. The Leon County School Board voted that if an LGBTQ plus child is in a PE class or attending an overnight trip, then all the parents in the class will receive a notification about it, which essentially paints these kids as sex offenders that require a warning. I know I can come out at home and my parents will support me no matter what. But what about the kids that don't have that? These kids would usually come out to a teacher they trust. That is no longer an option for these kids. School should be a safe place for all children.
Amen.
Let kids be who they are. Let them play on sports teams. This bill is going after people like my friend Dempsey. She's transgender, but to me, she's just my Dempsey, my friend. Why is the state of Florida so obsessed with her? Why can't they just let her be herself? She's not hurting anyone, and all she wants to be is a kid. We already don't feel safe in school from gun violence. How many kids need to die before we take action? My friends Brandon Wolf and Sarah Grossman will be headed to the White House next week to watch President Biden sign the Safer Communities Act. I know Drew will be with them that day. When I spoke last month at the March for Our Lives event, I ended with a question. What if the kids that are asking for change are the answer to your thoughts and prayers, and you're just not listening to us?
Yeah. That's right.
We want change. Change. We don't want to die in school or at the grocery store or in the movie theater. When the article was released about this protest, the protest was shared on Facebook. The trolls responded with the question, why is this kid worried about being able to get an abortion. Well, in Ohio, in the last week,
That's
a
right.
10-year-old girl was raped and was refused an abortion.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's right.
Preach the fact. Yes.
So how can you tell me I shouldn't be worried about abortion rights? How can you, in good faith, tell me, a girl, that I shouldn't fear being affected by the consequences of the Supreme Court's decision? How can you say that none of my friends should have similar fears that their lives and futures will be destroyed through no fault of their own? And finally, can you, in good faith, look your daughters, granddaughters, or nieces in the eye and tell them the same?
Exactly.
Thank you.